In today's video, I'll teach you how to set up Facebook dating. So first of all, launch open Facebook on your device. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to set up the Facebook dating, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. If you do not see the option for Facebook dating, tap on this option, see more. Now after you do that, you should be able to find the option for dating over here. What you have to do is tap on it. Right now this option is not available for me, but I'll tell you what to do. Once you tap on the option dating, you'll be led to another interface. All you have to do is simply follow through the prompts in order to generate the profile for yourself. You'll have to confirm your gender identity and confirm who you are interested in. Also ensure to turn on the location services. After you do that, you'll also be asked to upload your profile photo. Go ahead and upload it. Now after you do all that, simply follow through all the prompts. Now your Facebook dating profile will be created and set up. Now you'll be able to use the feature of Facebook dating. So that is how you set up Facebook dating. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.